Hey guys, this is Sahil and welcome to this exclusive episode of Weekly Mastermind where we are going to have the top-down approach of what we saw in last 1 week as well as what we can expect in the third week of June month. So let's quickly begin with the Weekly Mastermind session. The Weekly Mastermind for 18th of June 2023 where we will look up at first what is market index, what are the current outperforming sectors, underperforming sectors, what are the previous week's weekly gainers and losers, what are the current trending stocks, what are the stocks which we can track for upcoming week, as well as some of the previous cup pattern stocks itself. So on the market index, Nifty, Sensex, and Midcap 50 all are on the positive side, as well as Bank Nifty is kind of flattish on the lower side. So as of now, there are no such signs of panicness, as well as volatility and USD are in control. So based on which there are no such signs of panicness since last 1 week, and this is the same condition which we can expect in upcoming week as well. So let's have a look at Nifty 50 monthly above 60, weekly above 60, and daily is also forming higher tops and higher bottoms. And along with that, it is also having a good frequency of green candles as of now, as well as it is taking exact 60 supports on daily chart. So that's a good sign, and we can heads up towards the all-time high zone on Nifty as well in upcoming 1 or maximum 2 weeks. Next is on Bank Nifty on monthly above 60, but formation of red candle, that's not a good sign. On weekly, since last 5 weeks, it is completely consolidating, although it is above 60, but it is consolidating. And on daily, it gave a very good recovery, which you can consider on the day of Friday, and it did not got continued with the red rally, which was on Wednesday and Thursday. So as of now, there is no such signs of panicness, as well as whatever panicness was being formed as the very short-term trend, as you can consider on Wednesday and Thursday, that has got recovered, as well as the bulls are as of now completely in a very good charge, because even if the bears are trying to take control, but still they are not able to take complete control, right? So as of now, we can consider that bulls are completely in charge. Next comes different sector wise. As you can see, all the sectors are completely on the upside except Bank Nifty, which is kind of flattish. Rest like metal is up by 3.18, FMCG 3.48, and reality. These are the three sectors which outperformed, as well as there are a few more sectors which have given the momentum about 2%. So as of now, completely bullish sign, as well as we are heading towards a very good trend as well. Next comes Nifty IT monthly, weekly, and daily. All are between 46 to. So as of now, this sector and the stock specific of IT sector can be taken, as well as those can be bought in terms of value buying, not in terms of momentum based like a short term perspective. Those can be bought and invested for some span. You can consider few weeks and few months in order to get decent returns. Next comes Nifty Auto monthly, weekly, and daily. All are above 60. And even in last weekly mastermind session, I mentioned that based on record session count, we can expect slighter consolidated zone or retracement. And that's what we saw on Nifty IT. We saw a complete consolidation zone with completely indecisive candles. And as of now, this is also the sector which is completely outperforming. Next is Nifty Metal monthly is heading towards 60 breakout, as well as weekly is also heading towards 60 breakout, and daily is already sustaining above 60. So that's a very good sign for Nifty Metal. And we will have to be very cautious based on monthly and weekly, that is long term and medium term trend. If it breaks out of 60 on both the trends, then the metal sector can also be the next, you can consider the next trending sector in upcoming few weeks and months as well, for upcoming few weeks and months. Next comes Nifty and Nifty FMCG monthly, weekly, and daily. All are above 60, forming higher tops and higher bottoms, completely bullish. Next comes Nifty Energy monthly and weekly, both are between 40 60, but on daily it is giving a contra kind of move, breaking out of 60, and we can expect further momentum on this sector as well. Next comes Nifty Pharma, in which monthly has freshly broken out of the moving average after so long. And on weekly as well, we are heading towards 60 breakout, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band. And on daily, after a V-shaped recovery, it has given a formation of higher bottom, and it's heading towards the formation of higher top as well. So right now, the pharma sector is in current. Next comes Nifty Infra, in which we have monthly, weekly, and daily already above 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band on the long term and medium term trend. And on daily, it is forming higher tops and higher bottoms. So that's a very good sign for infra sector, as well as the stocks which are in infra. Next comes Nifty Realty monthly has freshly broken out of 60, weekly and daily are already performing well. So that's also a good sign. Next comes Nifty Media. This is like a value buying sector. The stocks which are in Nifty Media, those can be based on buy and invest, similar as of Nifty IT itself, because it has recently taken 40 support on monthly chart. And as I've mentioned since last so many weeks and months, that on media, this is like a major make or break situation as a long term perspective. And right now it is heading towards the make situation, because on daily as well, it is trying to move and it is trying to give a contra movement. So that's also a good sign. And right now we are heading towards a bullishness, like bullish trend itself. So based on which even you will see lots and lots of probabilities. You will see lots and lots of possibilities, not probabilities. You will see lots and lots of possibilities. But right now you'll be confused in your head. Should I buy this particular stock? Should I buy this particular stock? Or what should I do? But the main thing is that whenever we have a very huge trend like this, whenever the bullish trend starts, the best thing which we can do is buy, and we can follow the systems, we can follow the trend following systems, based on which we can just buy according to system. And as and when the system tells us to sell, by that time being only we are going to sell. It can be like a swing trade, it can be like a positional trade, it can be like a short term investing as well, based on the trend following. We don't know whether the trend is going to last for next 1 day, 5 days, 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months as well. But we have to focus upon trend following, and we have to follow those systems at its T. That's the best, you can consider the solution for a bullish trend, the bullish market, right? Next comes weekly best performers from last 1 week from NSE top 50. First is Dr. Reddy, which has given the momentum of 5.71. Next comes BPCL, which has given the change, that is percentage moment, by 4.35 on the upside. Next comes Cipla, Grasim, JSW Steel, Britannia, and NTPC. These are some of the stocks which have performed well in last 1 week. Next comes weekly worst performers, Z Entertainment Limited, which has given the momentum by 4.59 on the downside. Wipro, it has given the range of 4.57 on the downside. Next is Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, like auto sectors, like the stocks which are on the lower side, those are mostly the auto you can see here. Next comes SBI and Yes Bank. These are on the worst performers list. Next is some of the trend following stocks which are monthly, weekly, and daily already above 60. So first of them is Ashok Leyland, which has freshly broken out of 60 on monthly as well as weekly, and on daily it is already sustaining above 60 with a very good buying volume since last so many weeks. And this is also the stock which we have holded. Like on Friday itself, we bought this particular stock, and I hope that like whatever analysis I did in last 1 week, like you can consider that was the report you can consider which I made of the stocks which we traded in the last 10 days, and even in last 1 week, all those 5 days, whichever trades we have taken, whatever stocks we have bought and sold, what is the profit and loss after next 1 week. I'll also post that report on YouTube as well. Next is HAL. This is also monthly, weekly, and daily with very good volume on the upside, so that's a good sign. Next comes M&M Finance. This is also giving like a low risk opportunity on the lower time frame. As you can see, monthly on monthly and on weekly, both are already sustaining above 60, and on daily it has again given fresh 60 breakout. So based on which we can see further opportunities for the buying side in upcoming 1 or 2 days, that is on Monday and Tuesday. Next is Exide Industries. Monthly, weekly is already above 60, and on daily it is freshly breaking out of 60. So these are some of the stocks which can freshly trade and which can freshly be traded in the next 1 week. Next is IND Hotels. Monthly, weekly, and daily all are above 60, and this is like an all-time high stock. All-time high stock. So this is also one of the stock which can be applied on System 5 as well, System 3 as well, and we can buy and we can focus on trend following. And as and when the system tells to sell, till that time we are not going to sell this particular stock. So even in upcoming week, we are going to have further analysis for this particular stock to enter fresh into this. Next is some of the tracking stocks which we can track for upcoming week. First is Balakrishna Industries. Monthly and weekly, all are like monthly and weekly are exactly at 60, and on daily it has freshly broken out of 60. But it will be decided in upcoming week whether it is going to exactly break out of 60 or whether it is going to resist as well as it is going to go on the lower side. So this can be like a very, very low risk entry. And if we go into the hourly and hourly and 15 minutes time frame, then you will get even more low risk, high reward trades on this particular stock. Next comes Bank of Baroda. Monthly already above 60, weekly sustaining around 60 since last 6 to 7 weeks, and on daily it is about to freshly break out of 60. So in upcoming week, we will have a double confirmation, that is 60 breakout as well as this particular resistance breakout, and after that we will have a very good range on upside. Next is Bsoft. Monthly it has resisted around 60, but on the lower time frames, that is you can consider a contra movement itself. On weekly it has taken exact 60 support in last 1 week, and on daily also it is about to break out of 60. So that's a very good sign for the shorter term trend. Next is Canara Bank monthly around 60, weekly has freshly resisted 60, and on daily it has given exact 40 support on Thursday and Friday. So based on which this is the stock which can be traded based on system 4, in which monthly is above 60, although weekly is between 40-60, but it's absolutely all right. We can go for monthly and daily for system 4. Next is DLF monthly, weekly, both are already above 60, and on daily it has taken exact 60 support on Friday, as well as it is already sustaining above 60. So even on this particular stock, we can have low risk entry for this. Next is some of the previous cup pattern stocks. First is Trill, based on the resolution point was 84.50 and the current market price is around 79.85. So for this particular stock, the exact entry price has not yet arrived. So we can still wait for this particular stock to cross the resolution point and the percentage wise move on the upside to enter fresh on this. Next is Bharat Wire, in which resolution point was around 165.85 and the current market price is around 179.90 with very good buying volume since last so many months. Next is Fin Cables. This is since last so many weeks, and we are just holding this particular stock, which is also giving very good momentum, where the resolution point was around 758 and the current market price is around 871. Very good range, and even on this particular stock, almost it has also hit the target number 2. Like the target 1 was already hit on this particular stock, and I hope that in this particular week the target 2 has also got hit. Next is Univ Cables. The resolution point was around 349.80 and current market price is around 398.90. So that's also a very good sign for this particular stock. Right. Next is Dwarkesh. This was Dwarkesh Sugar. This was the stock based on change in polarity. The resolution point was around 80.40 and current market price is around 91.85, which means it is showing the momentum on the upside in this particular month as well. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed a lot from this particular video of Weekly Mastermind, as well as you have got the exact clarity on what are the stocks which we can track for upcoming week, as well as you have also understood what are the different trending stocks for upcoming week. And if you like this particular video, as well as whatever videos I am posting on YouTube channel, then make sure you like this particular video, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon, as well as make sure you share this particular video with your friends and loved ones, because from upcoming week, I'm not just going to post weekly mastermind session. I'm not even just going to post like a post-mortem report of whatever trades we took and in 10 days live trading challenge, but I'm also going to start a series. You can consider 2 new initiatives by the Achievers Club itself, based on which you will have absolute clarity about what is technical analysis and what is trading from the basics itself. So I want all the people, those who are watching this particular video, make sure you like this particular video and share this particular video as much as possible. And I'll see you in the next video, as well as some of the new initiatives which I'm going to start from upcoming week. As of now, this is surprise, and I'll keep it surprise until and unless I'm not posting it publicly and I'm not declaring it. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.